Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we re-diving deep into the heart of authentic Indian cuisine with a recipe that's both comforting and incredibly flavorful. Chicken yakhni. This isn't just a soup. It's a traditional aromatic broth that has been cherished for generations. It's perfect for a chilly evening or whenever you need a little soulful nourishment. So let's get started and make something truly special. First, let's prepare our potli, which is a small spice bundle that infuses our broth with incredible aroma. Take a clean piece of muslin cloth. Inside, we'll place whole spices, some fennel seeds, coriander seeds, a few green cardamoms, black cardamoms, cloves, a stick of cinnamon, and a bay leaf. Tie it up tightly into a little parcel. This little bundle is the secret to that authentic Yakhni fragrance. Now take a large, deep pot. Add in your chicken pieces. I'm using bone-in chicken because the bones add so much depth and richness to the broth. Pour in enough water to completely cover the chicken. Add some roughly chopped ginger, a few cloves of garlic, and one sliced onion. And of course, don't forget our spice potli. Drop it right into the pot. Season with salt, then bring it all to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it gently bubble away for about 45 minutes to an hour. You'll see a beautiful, fragrant broth forming. The chicken should be tender and practically falling off the bone. The whole kitchen will be filled with the most amazing, comforting aroma. This slow simmering process is key to extracting all the goodness from the chicken and spices. After simmering, carefully strain the broth into a clean bowl. Your golden, aromatic yakhni is ready. Separate the tender chicken pieces and set them aside. You can discard the boiled onions, ginger, garlic, and the spice potli now they've done their job perfectly. Look at that clear, beautiful liquid. That's pure flavor. To serve, place a few pieces of the cooked chicken into a bowl and pour the hot, steaming yakhni over them. Garnish with some fresh cilantro or mint leaves and a sprinkle of black pepper. You can enjoy it as a simple, healing soup or serve it with fluffy basmati rice to make a complete meal called yakhni pulao. It's a taste of tradition, made with love right in your own home. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you give this authentic chicken yakhni a try. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more traditional dishes. See you in the next video.